real estate agents pay around $500 to $1,000 to market one listing, and I just got all of it built for about $8 in compute plus the tools I already pay for. Let me show you. By the end of this video, you'll know how I turned a real estate listing link into a complete real estate marketing kit. It includes photos and branded images, a home tour video, a landing page with a form, and 3 UGC Reels. And it all started just from a simple prompt. You'll also see the tools that it reached for that I never even named. You'll also see what the whole thing actually cost me and how you could turn this into a business. So stick around, because the part that got me is not the prompt. Quick context, because it matters. I don't use Claude Code to write code. I know the name Claude Code can seem overwhelming, especially for non-coders. And I am not a coder myself, but I run my entire business on Claude Code. It knows my brand, my tools, my offers, the way I work. So when I give it a task, it doesn't wait around like a chatbot. It goes ahead and does the work and uses the tools that I have connected. So remember that. Now, here's what kicked this off. Higgsfield posted this recently, and as you can see, it says, Claude is now your real estate marketing agency. Analyze listings from Airbnb, Booking, Zillow, or Expedia. Then build the assets owners never had. 3D tours, a clean site, photos that sell. Pitch the owner and get paid. Higgsfield MCP is the key. Then scale to the next owner. And then they had a short video explaining this. Now this is a big claim. So I did what I always do. I tested it. Now here's the exact prompt that I gave it word for word. And I used the same prompt that Higgsfield used. As you can see here, it says, build a full rental marketing kit from this listing. And then I pasted in the listing. And then I stated photos, room tour video, landing page, and UGC videos via Higgsfield CLI. That was it. Now notice the only tool that I mentioned was Higgsfield. I didn't tell it how to get the photos. I didn't tell it how to do the video. I just said go. And before it built anything, it actually caught a mistake that I made. I wrote rental in the prompt, but as you can see, it says here, I pulled the listing. One thing stops me before I build anything. This is a for sale listing, not a rental. And then it asked me here, how should I frame the kit? And then I said, make it a for sale kit. So I made the mistake, but as you can see, it picked it up and cleaned it up as well. Now here's the part I told you to wait for. Remember, my prompt only named Higgsfield, but Claude Code actually went and used tools I didn't even mention. It used Apify to scrape the listing and pull the real images. It used 11 Labs for the voices on the videos. So I named one tool, but it used 3. And that is exactly why having a second brain within Claude Code actually matters. A chatbot waits for instructions, but Claude Code already knows my stack. So it reached for the right tools on its own. And that's the difference. So let me show you what came out. It picked up all of the images. It created cards like this and this and this. Here's some lower thirds. Here's another. Here's another. And remember, it did all of this just from that one simple prompt. Here's the house tour with a voiceover. Now, as you can see, it's 1 minute and 23 seconds long. So I'm not going to play the entire thing, but just have a look at this.
One doesn't sit still in Kendall. Behind the gates of Shadywood Villas, 11765 Southwest 91st Terrace, is the home where someone already did the hard part. Clean lines, 2 stories, and a brand new roof from 2024. Step inside, and it opens right up. Bright, updated, and truly move-in ready. Fresh flooring runs throughout, the light pours in, and every room just feels easy to live in. The kitchen is the showpiece. Remodeled top to bottom, crisp white.
Can you see it even matched this correctly? So the voiceover is talking about the kitchen and it's showing the kitchen at the same time. And this is amazing. Now, as I said, it's 1 minute and 23 seconds long. But as you can see, it goes to the bedroom, the bathrooms, and then it shows the location. And it picked all of this up, remember, just from the listing link. And not only that, it didn't only give us a horizontal tour, it also created a portrait tour as well. So here's a vertical video, the same thing, 1 minute and 23 seconds long, with the same voiceover, but this time in a vertical format. So as you can see, same voiceover. Again, it matches. The kitchen is a showpiece and it's showing the kitchen. And this is amazing. And again, remember, just from that one prompt. But that's not it. As you can see, it also created a landing page. And have a look at this landing page. And remember, because of Claude Code, it organizes everything properly for us in our folders on our machine. Now, I have set up my Claude Code so that it creates separate subfolders, so it's easy for me to understand. But have a look at this landing page using the same image. And it's amazing that it could actually do this just from one prompt. It created the copy. It added in the images. Have a look at this gallery that it created. Honestly, Claude Code feels like the tool of my dreams. I can get to do stuff like this in just minutes and from just talking to it. As you can see, it added in the map and it even added in a form. And it also created 3 UGC videos. Again, I'm not going to play all of them, but I'll just show it to you a little bit. So here, it created the UGC influencer on its own, remember, in Higgsfield. And have a look at this.
Gated community, 3 bedrooms, a brand new roof, and it's totally move-in ready.
That's the first one. Then here's the second one. Same character, as you can see.
Real quick, the inside is done. Updated kitchen, updated baths, impact doors, and accordion shutters. In Miami, that's everything.
Again, you can see that one. And then the final one was a CTA, call to action. Again, same character.
Outside, private fenced yard, pickleball, and minutes to the turnpike.
So this is amazing. So now I will let you know about an error that occurred. So initially when he created the UGC videos, the lip sync was not correct. And as you can see here, I'm saying, why is the UGC videos, the lip sync and the audio is not in sync? And then also another thing that it did was, when it created the home tour, it did not add a voiceover initially. So I asked it to add in the voiceover. And I asked it to do it both for the portrait and for the vertical. And as you can see here, I said, and then I want you to spawn another agent that will go out and create the voiceover. So remember, with Claude Code, you can create multiple agents that go out and do multiple tasks for you. But remember now, this call came from me. So you need to keep in mind that it's not going to be flawless, just like a normal human worker will make mistakes or it needs guidance. The same thing here, you will need to add in your own input because the AI is powerful, but you are the editor. You are the conductor. And keep in mind, it does not run on zero human judgment. And anyone who promises that, honestly, has never done something like this properly. Because we don't just want to create AI slop, we want to create quality content. And that's where it needs a human intervention. Now let's talk money. So I actually asked Claude Code to give me a full breakdown and put it into a table for me. So as you can see now, it used Higgsfield to create the Soul V2 that was to create the AI host, right? The images. It used VO 3.1 and it actually failed. So as you can see, it refunded me the money. It also used WAN 2.7 here. It used CDance 2.0 here. It gives me the cost. Here was a test only, but it still cost me. And in total, it cost me $8.40. That's including the Apify scraper, which was just 0.04 cents. And 11 Labs was free. The voiceover that it created was free. I didn't even have to pay for that, right? Because it was minimal. Here it used Pillow FF Here, as you can see, for the landing page, the Whisper, etc., that was free. It was local. If I had to host it, obviously, then I'll pay for hosting. But even with that, you can use free hosting on Cloudflare pages. Now, the other cost is Claude Code. So you can start from $20 per month. For me personally, I use the $200 per month plan. I use it so much, so for me, it's well worth it. But you can just start off with the $20 plan. And then with Higgsfield, as you can see, you have a $15 plan. I'm actually on the $49 plan, and it works really great. And honestly, it's well worth it for me as well. So if we put this into context, right? We paid $20 for Claude Code, $50 for Higgsfield, $8 for the entire creation. And so it's still under $100, and you can now sell this for $500. And you can deliver really quickly as well. And you could actually just create samples and show them. And if they like it, then you give them the full package. And now this can become a real business. And remember, once Claude Code knows your entire process, then everything becomes much more seamless. And then there's less human intervention that's necessary. And it's just going to get better and better over time. And that's what I love about Claude Code, because I can set memory and it becomes better and better and understands how I work over time. And that's the key. Think about it. One agent with 10 listings a month, now that becomes real money. And after the first one, you barely touch it because Claude now starts understanding your process. And that's what I love about Claude Code, because once you train it properly, then it understands how you work and it becomes better over time. So your delivery becomes seamless as well. Now here's the part that should mess with you a little. This video that you are actually watching, the script, the research, the cost breakdown was all done in the same Claude Code thread. So I haven't even left the chat. I tested it out, then I wrote a video script about it, and now it's a product that I can sell as well. And it all happened in one conversation. So here's the truth. Claude isn't magic. It doesn't replace you. But when you set it up properly and you connect it to your tools and it knows your methods, then one prompt can do the work of a whole marketing agency. I tested this claim. It held up. So the real unlock is not the prompt. It's setting the thing up to actually know you. And if you want me to build that setup on camera, I'm talking about the whole second brain and how it gets to know you, how to connect the tools, then just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Now, if you want to know how to use Claude for design, then this video will help you get there. I'll see you on the next video. And don't forget, play hard, work smart, and take action.